If you need to create a Steam trade URL in the 2026 Steam client, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact path to find your trade link, how to make sure it actually shows up, and what to do if the link is missing or needs to be refreshed. This is really useful if you want to trade items, share your inventory link with friends, or connect Steam to third-party marketplaces without wasting time searching through menus. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets me keep making more tutorials for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're in, look at the top of the Steam client and click your profile name. From the menu that appears, select Inventory. This is where Steam shows all of your items, cards, skins, and trade-related options. Once your inventory page opens, look near the top right area and find the blue Trade Offers button. Click that button to open your trade offer settings. This is the main area Steam uses for trading controls, and it's where your trade URL is managed. Now, on the right-hand sidebar, you'll see a link that says, "Who can send me trade offers?" Click that link. Steam will take you to a permissions page that controls how others can trade with you, and this is where your unique trade URL lives. On this page, scroll all the way down until you reach the third-party sites section. At the bottom, you should see a box labeled Trade URL. That box contains your unique Steam trade link. You can copy it and share it wherever you need to, whether that's with a friend, a trading site, or a marketplace that supports Steam inventory trades. If you don't see the trade URL box, or if the link doesn't seem to work for other people, don't worry, there are a few important things to check right away. First, make sure your inventory is set to public. To do that, go to Edit Profile, then open your privacy settings and set inventory to public. If your inventory is private, Steam may hide the trade URL section completely, and other users may not be able to view or use your trade settings properly. Second, keep in mind the 15-day rule. If you recently enabled Steam Guard, Steam may require you to wait 15 days before you can generate or use a trade link. This is a security delay, so if your trade URL is missing or unavailable, this is one of the first things you should check. Third, if you're getting too many spam offers or you think your trade link has been shared too widely, you can refresh it. Right below your trade URL, click the blue Create New URL button. This instantly invalidates your old trade link and generates a new one. That means anyone with the previous URL will no longer be able to use it, which is a great way to reset your trade access and improve your privacy. So to recap, the fastest way to create your Steam trade URL is to open your inventory, click Trade Offers, go to Who can send me trade offers, and then copy the trade URL from the third-party sites section. If it's missing, check your inventory privacy, wait out the Steam Guard delay if needed, and create a new URL if you want to refresh your link. I hope this updated guide helped you get your Steam trade URL set up quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with anything else on Steam. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.